Hi guys, welcome back with our new video. So in this video I will help you how to fix Instagram messages problem. So let's start without wasting it. So first of all, open your settings and click on apps and notifications. Click on it and click on see all the 92 apps. Scroll down and click on Instagram. After this click on force stop. Click on here and click on storage and cache and click clear cache. So after this go back and open again your settings and click on network and internet and click on Wi-Fi. So here you can see my Wi-Fi is properly connected. So make sure that your Wi-Fi is proper connected with your device. So after this go back and click on SIM card and network. So if you're not connected with Wi-Fi, then turn on your mobile data. So after this go back and open again your settings. Scroll down and click on system. Click on reset options and click on reset Wi-Fi mobile and Bluetooth and reset settings. So after doing these steps, your Instagram messages problem will be fine. So hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe, comment and share. Thank you.